Hi dear students, we are going to continue a new video about functions, and we are going to find the function, finding the equation of a line from its graph. So first the graph it is given, and we are going to try to find the function. And here we are going to use sequence method that we were using. So it is similar with sequences also. I want to tell at the beginning in that one. Then I'm going to first I'm going to find integer coordinates on the line. What I mean with the integer coordinates, I mean this one. When you check here, like say this point, when you check this point, this is intersecting with 4, okay, but it is not intersecting with something here as an integer value. But when you check 5, here it's going to be equal to, this is equal to 1 and 5. The x value is 1, y is equal to 5. So this is one of the integer point. So I'm writing here 1, the y value is equal to 5. Then 2 is 7, 3 is 9, and 4 is equal to 11. It's going to be, now if you remember, for the sequence, if you want to write, this is increasing sequence and this is linear sequence also, and the order it's going like that. And here my aim to find the equation of the line by using this sequence. If you remember the difference between it's +2, +2 and +2. So from the second lesson, you remember how to find the equations when you write x and y values. You were looking the common difference. If the common difference is 2 here, as you see here also, let me sign them here with different color. If the common difference is 2, it means that you are going to make times 2 table. So you are going to multiply all the terms here by times 2. So times 2 table means 1 times 2, which is equal to 2, 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, 2 times 3, it's equal to 6, from 2 times 4, it's going to be equal to 8. So what are the differences from here, from this one to this one? As you see, from 2 to 3, it is +3. From 4 to 7, it is +3. Here, +3, +3, +3. So all of them, they are same. It is equal to +3. So with respect to these two, if you remember, I said the rule for 4n +3, it was in equations, it's going to be like this. Y is equal to 2, this 2 I'm talking about, 2 times x. This is 2 times x, it's going to be, which is 2x plus 3 is the answer. 2x plus 3 is the answer going to be. Okay, only to mention that one here, I want to show this one as times 2, not to confuse with the x. Okay, this 2 here, it is coming also, we should understand that one. Okay, now next question. Here the table, it is given to us, and I'm going to solve the question for a again. The values are 2, 3, 4, 5, and without drawing the graph I can find, which is 10, 15, 20 and 25. So the common difference, since it is equal to 5, I'm going to make it 5, 5, 5. You are going to see I'm going to make it times 5 table here, times 5 table, which means I'm going to multiply all the terms by 5 here. I want to use different color for these are to see the difference. Times 5 means here times 5, and 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 3 it's equal to 5 times 3 it's equal to 15, 5 times 4 it's equal to 20, 5 times 5 it's equal to 25. So from this one to this one plus 0, so this is the last part of our question. I'm sorry, this is the last part of our question. Here it's going to be equal to times 5. The function it's going to be equal to y is equal to 5 times x plus 0, which is equal to y is equal to 5x plus 0. 0 is not written because in this case it is not written. We have to know that one. For the second one, if I copy this one and here this one, the terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3 and 4, then the results are 2, 5, 8 and 11. Look at the difference, plus 3 and plus 3 it's continue. So I'm going to make times 3 table. So times 3 table means 3 times 1 it's equal to 3 times 3. 3 times 2 it's equal to 6 times 3. 3 times 3 9. 4 times 3 it's going to be equal to 12. From 3 to 2, from 65, all they are same difference, which is equal to minus 1. So from 3, if you subtract minus 1, you will get 2. 6 subtract minus 1, 5. You will continue so on like this. Okay, with respect to this one, with respect to that one, we are understanding that y is equal to x times 3 minus 1 is the answer, or y is equal to 3x minus 1 is the answer of our question. Here, this time the graph of the function it is given. Since the graph of the function it is given, you can easily find, but let's try some values. When it's equal to 1, when it's equal to 0, when it's equal to 0 it is at 3. When it's equal to 1 it's at 4. When it's equal to 2 it is equal to 5. When it's equal to 3 it should be equal to 6. Also you can see here. So the differences between them it's going to be equal to 1. So you are going to make times 1 table. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 2, and that's going to be equal to 3. I'm sorry about that one. Here this is going to be 3. So the first table is times 1 table. From 3 to 6, 2 to 5, 1 to 4, all the differences are plus 3. So the equation with respect to that one, y is equal to x times 1 plus 3, which is equal to y is equal to 1 times x is equal to x plus 3 it's going to be.